Hello everyone, if you want to sign into your Adobe Acrobat account directly from the application, just follow the simple step. First, open the Adobe Acrobat account on your Windows computer and wait for it to fully load. Now within it, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see a sign in button or a profile icon. Click on it. A sign-in window will appear. Enter your Adobe email address, then click enter. Or if you want to create your Adobe account using your Google, Apple or Facebook, you can just simply tap any of them. A sign-in window will appear. Enter your Adobe email address, then click continue. After that, type your password and click sign in. Or if you have created your Adobe account using Google, Apple or Facebook, you can just choose that option instead and sign in with those credentials. And once you are signing, your account will synchronize automatically and you will be able to access your cloud documents, recent files as well as premium features if you have a subscription. In order to check that you have successfully signed in, you can just simply look at the top where the profile icon has replaced the sign in, and that's it. That's how you can sign into your Adobe Acrobat account directly from the application. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.